A strong earthquake was felt in Tashkent and other regions of Uzbekistan in Tuesday evening. The tremors were horizontal in nature and were quite prolonged. The epicenter was in Afghanistan. The magnitude at the epicenter was 6.8. The earthquake affected Turkmenistan, India, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, China, Afghanistan and Kyrgyzstan. The report says, earthquakes of this magnitude have not been felt in Uzbekistan for many years. In recent years, their intensity has been up to 4 points. Strong tremors during the earthquake were felt in Delhi and other parts of northern India. Panic-stricken people ran out of buildings when the earthquake struck around 22:20. It was also felt in Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. The earthquake occurred about 188 kilometers below the surface, which is quite deep and at the moment limits the potential damage.